All right, let's go over these 6 practice problems real quick. Right, you're given a line and you're given 4 you got to choose from. Right, so you're given this line, and this line is obviously has a negative slope. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate A because it has a positive slope. Right. Then you want to look at the y-intercept. The y-intercept here is positive 1. So B is going to be out because that has a negative 1 y-intercept. Now you have to actually figure out the slope in order to get the full answer here. So you got to go down 2 and over 1. So down 2 over 1 is a slope of negative 2. So the answer here should be C. Number 1 should have been C. All right, number 1 should be C. Okay, let's do the second one. You have a y-intercept there. You get a line that looks something like that. And then you have 4 options. Y equals 2x plus 2. Y equals 4x plus 2. Y equals 2x minus 4. And y equals negative 4x plus 2. Again, you should notice that they're always kind of using the same numbers. Right? So again, check your slope. This slope is positive, which means D gets eliminated. That has a negative slope, right? You got a y-intercept of positive 2. Positive 2. That means C gets eliminated because it doesn't have that. And then you have to check the actual slope because otherwise these are similar. They just have a 4 slope and a 2 slope. So to get from here to there, I had to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. That means your slope is 4, which means your answer is 4x plus 2. That one was B. B. Okay. Third one here. Third one here. We have a line that looks like that. We got y equals 1/2 x plus negative 3. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 3. Y equals 2x minus 3. Y equals negative 2x minus 3. Okay? You're going to check this as a positive slope, right? So again, I can eliminate 2 instantly. B and D are out just because I know that slope is positive. Now I can check my y-intercept. My y-intercept is negative 3. Okay? A and C both have that. But the slopes are different, right? So 1/2 versus 2. So here I have to go up 1 over 2, which means my slope is 1/2, which means the answer there is A. Answer there is A. Okay, again, you're really just kind of doing the same thing over and over. If you ask yourself those questions, you can eliminate some bad answers right away. So, third one. Line looks something like that. Gives us y equals 3/2 x plus 3. Y equals 3x plus 3. Y equals 3x minus 3. And y equals 3 over 2x minus 3. Again, we're going to eliminate bad answers, right? We got positive slope. All of these are positive, so we can't eliminate any of those. We have a y-intercept of negative 3, which means we can eliminate A and B because they both have positive y-intercepts with positive 3. We don't have that. Now the last two we're going to actually have to count so we can understand what the slope is. So we have to go up 1, 2, 3 and over 1, 2. So it's going to be a 3 over 2 slope, which is the same as D. The fourth one down should have been D. Okay. Number 5. Graph looks like that. And they give you y equals 2/3 x plus 2. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. So it's almost the same. Y equals 3 over 2x plus 2. And y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 2. Again, we're going to eliminate all of the bad slopes. So this is a negative slope, which means A has a positive slope, C has a positive slope, so they're out. we got a y-intercept of positive 2, which both b and d have, but now we got to check the slope, because they're similar, right? But you might get confused, put one on top, one on bottom, so we have to go rise, 1, 2, down, down 2, and left, 1, 2, 3. So negative 2 over 3, that looks like b. You should have had b for that one. Okay? Last one, maybe I'll use blue, getting a little hard to see the green. Last one. And you got a line that's very, very flat, but still technically has a slope. So you got y equals 1 over 5x minus 4, y equals 5x minus 4, y equals negative 1 over 5x minus 4, and y equals negative 5, just negative 5x minus 4. Again, eliminating two answers instantly because this slope, even though it's very flat, is still technically positive. So C is out and D is out. Both of these have a y-intercept of negative 4, which is what we want, but now you got to count the slope. So it's up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1 over 5, so the answer to that one is A. Again, just a quick lesson on making sure that we're doing this right in order to do these problems on multiple choice tests correctly, right? Hopefully we got this.